Welcome back, my friend, to another unboxing video. So today we are also showing you guys this fan. We've already reviewed one, but I decided to get another for a gift. My mother loves these fans, and because I like the first one so much, I decided, you know what, to get one for her and one for myself. So we got a different color. This one is blue. I'm gonna keep this one and give my mother the other one. So if you've missed my first video, this is how it comes packaged. It is fully flexible, so you can move it however you want. So these are two fans. You got a fan on the left, fan on the right. There's multiple colors you can choose from on the Amazon listing. So you got white, you got this blue, darker blue color, and you have black. It is wireless. They do give you the charging cable, which is a Type-C. There's also a little manual inside the box. And for this, it's marked left and right, so you know which way to go. You can rotate it 360 degrees to, your liking. On the top here is the power button, and all you do is press it. So this is low mode, medium, high. And again, guys, it just goes like this, and you can angle it however you want, and it really blows a lot of air. Like, I like these a lot. I mean, if we have our hat on like this, we can have it mounted like that and blow it like right on the side of our face. However we want to have it, you guys can set this up. It is so nice. Really like it, guys. And the fans blow air. I mean, a lot of air.